How to order Domino pizza at a lower price. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. If you have access to Sam's Club, check out their awesome deal $100 worth of Domino's gift card for just $75. This deal may vary location, so check your local Sam's Club. Costco also offers a similar 25% discount on Domino's gift cards, which you can combine with other coupons. For example, using a coupon for $5.992 topping pizza plus the gift card discount means you can get a large pizza for just about $2.24 after discounts. Here is a pro tip. Order one large pizza instead of two small one. Large pizzas cost less per square inch, so you get more pizza for your money. If you're craving garlic bread, add garlic bread as a topping for a delicious garlic bread pizza. Or just get extra dips. For just $1.99 more, you can get a large dip to make your meal even better. Did you know you can also customize your pizza with a create your own option to save money? For example, a margherita pizza from the menu cost about $21.99, but creating your own with classic crust, tomato sauce, and mozzarella can save you $1. Also, don't forget to check for a student or staff discount. Sometimes you can get up to 50% off, but be careful not to stack promos. If you know someone who works at Domino's, their staff discount might be an option too. Finally, don't miss out on 2 for Tuesday deals and cashback sites like Top Cashback or Costco to save even more on your order. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick money saving tips like this.